All right, so we're going to go over a basic lighting scheme of outdoor and indoor lighting for this room. It's all UV'd. Not everything is textured yet, but most things are. And we want to set up the only light source or thing that is emitting a light, or appears to be, is an emissive texture that is on the TV screen, and that's what's giving us this lighting here. But there's no other light sources other than that. And just so you can kind of see how that is, pause this to speed things up. And if we look at the screen material, we have a texture in the emissive color with a high weight. And just for good measure, we also have the same texture inside of the color base. Now, depending on if I turn this off and on, if I turn it off, in other words, I turn the weight of the emissive and the color base to zero, then it would be like turning the TV off, and then you would just have to worry about the specular and possibly the coat and the roughness of those to get a reflection on a turned off widescreen TV. But for right now, this is the only thing through the final gather of the render that is emulating light coming from that source. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start to set up an outdoor light first using an HDR image. And ultimately, then we're going to illuminate the inside because we're not going to get everything that we want from there. We're also going to add a subsurface scattering material to the curtains so that we can actually see exactly what would light look like coming through the curtains itself.